Hi, I'm Justine Burt, Chief Green Officer for Greenwalla. What are the biggest obstacles to moving away from fossil fuels and toward a clean energy future? Biggest barriers are subsidies for fossil fuels and nuclear. Solar, wind, and geothermal receive paltry federal government assistance compared to these more conventional energy sources. If our tax dollars supported renewable energy with tax credits, loan guarantees, and research and development funding at the levels that coal, oil, and nuclear receive, we would be much closer to a clean energy future. There's also some sneaky math going on here. Every comparison I see on the costs of coal, natural gas, nuclear, wind, and solar include different elements. There was a Scientific American journal recently that said, okay, here's the cost of natural gas, wind, coal, and nuclear. Natural gas is $700 per kilowatt, wind is $1,400 per kilowatt, coal is $1,700 per kilowatt, unless you're looking at up-to-date coal-fired power plants, in which case it's $3,000. Nuclear is $2,400 per kilowatt, or $8,000 if you look at a recent submittal from a utility to the state of Florida. Nuclear in particular seems like it includes sneaky math because rarely are some really major potential big costs included. Insurance for construction, federal government provides. What about nuclear waste disposal? Uranium enrichment? Decommissioning of the nuclear power plant after the end of its useful life? These are all big potential costs. Then there are externalities, costs pushed off onto somebody else. We need to include those costs as well because coal seems really cheap until you consider that it's contributing to climate change, that it's contributing to poor air quality, which has resulted in the rise of respiratory illnesses like asthma. And then there's the loss of the value of homes that are near where the mountaintops are being removed to get at the coal. Once we have a better idea of the true full costs of each option, decentralized renewable power looks a lot more attractive financially and in terms of the environment. So let's do some full cost accounting and then have a dialogue as a country about our different options. Thank you.